So in this video I'm going to talk about my new strategy, how to trade volatility 75 index. I'm going to share with you guys a step-by-step tutorial of my strategy. How do I do it? So the first thing that you want is to have a MetaTrader and also to have the volatility 75 index on your charts. So simply look at the charts right now. You are going to see that you need to set your charts to M1, meaning 1 minute represent one candlestick. All right, so once that is done, you need to set up to put the trading system on your charts now. All right, so if at any point you feel like you want to try my strategy, you want to try this special indicator that I have, at any point, just like my video, send me an email. I'll put my email address on the screen so that you can easily contact me and I'll tell you how to get the system. So this is a very straightforward and simple system to use. So if you check right now, you can see that my balance for this on this account, this is a live account by the way, it has 45,000 in equity. All right, and the actual balance is actually 44,419 US dollars. All right, so you can see that I have an open trade right here. This is an open trade which is $1,000 in profit, and this is a small volume. This is a 0.2. Just imagine if you're using a 2 lots, this was going to be easily 10,000 on this. All right, easily 10,000. So as you can see right here, this is where I entered the trade. All right, so the reason for me to enter this trade, I first wait when I get this this red box, the first red box. All right, when I get the first red box, that's when I place a sell trade. All right, like for this example, I just said to put my trade right on here. All right, and then my stop loss, as you can see, this is my stop loss right here. You see, I was only risking $154, and look at the profit now. It even went to about let's just put it here. Let's see. It even went down to 1.2. All right, so the reason why I still hold on to this trade, on this specific trade, I'll wait for the color to change. Once the color change from red to green, that's a buy signal. All right, and also it means I should exit my sell trades, all my sell trades. All right, that's why I didn't put any take profit here. But if I wanted to just, like, it depends with your money management. If I feel that 1,000 is enough for me, I can simply go here, or let me just close the half of the position. All right, I've closed half of the position, and I'll hold on to the trade. Just right now I can just move my stop loss. I could move it to break even right here, or I can just move it even deeper. All right, because I know that it's not going to just simply turn. You can see once it turns right here, it's most likely to form a green buy signal. All right, so I'm just going to close the trade and take a buy trade. All right, so for the next trade, I'm just simply going to take a huge lot size. All right, just to risk the 1,000 profit that I've made. All right, so the reason why I'm taking a big lot size, I can afford to, because I'm only risking the profit to make more money. All right, if I lose, I go back to my normal 0.1 or 0.2. all right, so if you go to the history of this account, you can see that there are some trades that are there. This is the one I just closed right now. All right, and then I'd lost a 0.1 volume right here. This was $100, all right, that I lost. So you can see that the initial deposit for this account was 10,000. I haven't made any withdrawal yet. You can see the profit is about 34,000, and the balance is still showing as up. All right, so you can see that there's a timer here that so this timer, you can get it anywhere. You can just download it from any site. I think the candlestick remaining timer, so it's counting down I can take my buy trade right here, because it's showing me now. All right, the reason why I took the buy trade, if you check here, there's a green box that is here. All right, so I can close now the sell trade. So as you can see, I've closed my sell trade. So I've put a buy trade right here, and this one is a one lot, guys. You can see it right here. So even a small movement is going to show you a big difference there. All right, so I just want this to be a very quick video. What I like doing is to put my stop just below the what, the previous, just below the previous. For this example, if I have to take a buy, like I took a buy trade right here. All right, so the previous box was a red box, so I'll put just below the red box. All right, because once it closes again below this red box, it's going to give me a green, but a red sell signal. All right, so you can see we're already in profit here. And please just remember that this is a 1 minute time frame. I just end a trade right here. This is the second minute. I'm already $500 in profit. All right, do you see that? This is very simple and a very effective strategy. All right, you can see now it's $900 in profit. All right, so I don't want to make this video very long or to waste your time, guys. I just want to motivate you. If at any point you feel like this is motivating, or you see like there's a potential of making money using my trading system, just like my video first, and positive comments, please. Also, because now I see that a lot of other people, they just use this dislike button or just some annoying comments just as a tool of frustrating others, or I don't know. Those kind of people, I don't think they are welcome in any channel, because they don't even know where you're coming from, how much hard work you put into whatever you're doing. All right, so this is just for the people who are interested. If you like this strategy, please contact me. I'll put my email address on the screen, and this is very effective, and it's something that any trader should be having. All right, so this is volatility 75 index trading, and I don't think there's any strategy out there that can beat this strategy. All right, so thank you for watching the video, guys. I just want to keep it short. So to get back to the basics, if you are using my trading system, you just simply load it on the chart. It comes with these default settings that I'm using right here. All right, so you can see that I was making some trades right here. I was making money all the way. You can see all this. All right, all these are trades that I took before this trade here. All right, so you can see this is a non-repeating system, meaning if it forms a red box or a green box, it's not going to change the color if the price goes in the opposite direction. All right, so this is a very, very, very powerful strategy. If you want it, contact me, forexteacher1940@gmail.com. I'll reply and tell you guys how you get the system. I'll give you the system, I'll set it up for you, I'll tell you how to use it. All right, that is the most important thing. So the bigger part that you are going to play is to do money management. So for a very small account, I suggest that you start with a 0.001. all right, because it's still a lot of money anyways, because you are going to make these trades. This is a M1 chart, meaning we are trading every minute. All right, so it's very effective. So let me just quickly close this trade. All right, so it's just that simple how you make money using my trading system. So even if you go to the history now, you see the trade that I just closed is this one here. All right, another 800. It's very simple, and this was just in 1 2 3 4 5 minutes. All right, less than 5 minutes actually. All right, so thank you for watching the video, guys. Please keep it up, and we want the positive comments. Just focus on your trading and learn. That's the best way to make money. You should first learn the important rules of trading. All right, there's so many things that I can't tell you guys, but in this short video, boss, I want this video to be very short, but there's a lot of things that are involved in trading. Besides having a very powerful trading system, you still need to be you still need to have your own money management skills, all right, to control your emotions psychologically, all right. There's a lot of other things, but I'm going to include them in the next video so that I don't make this video very long, all right.